Welcome back to Flat Rabbit Racing Club's Monster Smash for Round 2, where 6 drivers will be eliminated,
with heads taken,
leaving a top 10 to move on to the final round where we will crown one winner.
He still has a head.
Here's a look at the rules. Head-to-head.
Headless.
2 races, 1 in each lane. Drivers will gain points by winning a race and by smashing pumpkins and skulls. Pumpkins must be knocked off the beam to get the points. After tallying the points, the top 10 will move on to the next round.
Locked and loaded in the gate, we have Mike Mays driving for RTR,
And Alex for the thrill of reckless driving.
Gate hits the deck, and Mays gets out front, but here comes Alex looking to pass, neck and neck down the line. Wow, super close race. Mays blazes out with early lead, but Alex steps on it, catches up, and is dead even with Mays. Both duck under the hits, but it's Mays getting it at the line. Race 2. Alex and the Monster Beetle getting busy. Mays trailing.
Alex cuts left, Mays cuts right, hits the pumpkin, but it's Alex getting the win.
While Alex tries to smash the pumpkin and stop Mays from getting it, Mays sees it and crosses over and gets the smash on the other side, lands and steers away from the fence. Alex just gets under, missing the pumpkins, but he gets the W.
So the totals are Alex with 5, Mike Mays with 7.
Next up in the gate, got Gus BR driving for Down Squad. Lily the dog driving for Team Lily's Boneyard. Lily busts out of the gate on a mission. Smashing the pumpkin. Whoa, Gus crosses over, goes wide, and crashes into the fence. Lily with the W. Race 2, gate drops, Gus storms out,
Widening a truck length lead.
goes big, smashes the skulls and chains up and over, gets the win. Lily was going for the skulls, but Gus smashed him over the beam.
Wow, it looked like Lily grazes the pumpkin, but it didn't get knocked down off the beam, so no points for that.
So Gus totals with an 8, Lily a 7. Locked and loaded in the gate, we got Cupcake with a K of Rust Belt Raceway and Max Havoc of Chaos Canyon. Gate drops, Cupcake gets the snap, crackle, pop, Havoc turning on the turtles, passes, gets the skulls and the W. Cupcake gets a great start but doesn't nail the pump section, loses speed and Max wreaks havoc, gets centered and smashes the skulls with Max air.
Oh boy. We should be heading out.
Race 2. Jake hits the deck, Max out front, Cupcake looking to make something happen, gaining, whoa, bumper to bumper. Max misses the extra points, but gets the win. Cupcake smashes the pumpkin, but I don't think it's going to be enough. Last matchup of the day in the gate, got Dr. PAYNE of KCLH Racing and Cade of NZ Racing. Gate drops and the colorful doctor brings the pain. Both with huge air, smashing the pumpkins, but it's Dr. PAYNE with the win. Both with huge air, smashing the pumpkins, but it's Dr. PAYNE with the win in race 1. Race 2. Cade on the inside. Whoa, Dr. PAYNE pulling away. Huge air gets the skull and the pumpkin. Wow, Dr. PAYNE may have a perfect 10 run. Did Cade get the skulls? The doctor got him swinging. Cade barely misses. $17 for Dr. PAYNE.
Horseman is coming. He wants the bottom 6.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see the totals. Dr. PAYNE tied Serrano Buckminster's runs with 17. Lone Star with 14. Max Havoc with 13. Looks like the 5 points and below are going to be the ones eliminated. Top 10 will be moving on to the finale of the Monster Smash.
Enough of the nonsense.
Suit yourself. You're on your own. Good luck, Glitch.
Hang on to your heads.
And stay tuned. You're going to want to see the finale for Monster Smash.